Welcome. This video I'll show you how to reactivate your DoorDash account. All right, let's say you've been banned. Okay, you open the app and you got a message. Your account has been deactivated. Okay, you should receive, when you open the app, you should receive this exact screen. Now, all you need to do is just click on Start Appeal. Okay, now, if you haven't got this specific screen, well, don't worry. They normally send you an email. Okay, just go ahead and check out your emailing service. There might be a DoorDash deactivation email in there. Just click on it and there will be a link for an appeal form. So just go ahead and fill it out. Now, if you don't have that form as well, don't worry. I have the appeal link here for you. Okay, so go ahead and go to the description below. And here you have the form. In here, let's go ahead and select a language, English, submit. Now go ahead and enter your email. It says here must use Dasher email or your appeal will not be processed. Okay. Now again, it says here you can find the reason in your deactivation email sent from no reply at DoorDash.com with a reason why your account has been deactivated. Now in here, please state the cause of your deactivation. For example, fraud, duplicate account, or other reasons right here. Or maybe I'm not sure. Hit on next. And then in here, add in your first name, last name, your phone number. And if you're outside of the United States, please add your country code. Okay? Don't forget about the country code. And here, please use this field to provide evidence to support your reactivation request. And if you do have any screenshots or photos, you can go ahead and click on Select Files in here and make sure that you have saved the screenshots or photos on your computer. Or if you're using this form on your mobile device, you can go ahead and do that as well. Okay, just select files and then once done, just hit on submit and wait for DoorDash's reply. Okay, that is how you reactivate your DoorDash account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.